TLR's heating it up in the racing scene. Is this really a brand new buggy from top to bottom? Stay tuned and let's find out. Rich here from the RCNetwork.com, and today is a pretty special day. We have a brand new unboxing here. This, of course, is the TLR 22x-4, and if you haven't been noticing, this is TLR's newest 1/10 scale four-wheel drive electric buggy. Now, there's no doubt that I've been a huge TLR fan for many, many years. If you remember way back, I actually owned two of the SCTEs. Now, of course, I was under the low-C name, not actually TLR, but later on, for the 2.0 and 3.0 versions, they acquired the TLR badging. Now, I've also done the original 22 two-wheel drive vehicle and the 22 SCT. At that point, I really got into four-wheel drive buggies, and I really didn't appreciate the offerings from TLR until now. Now, way back in September of 2019, we had the 1/10 scale four-wheel drive Worlds. It was held over in Slovakia at the Huddy Arena. Now, of course, Dakota Fenn showed up there with a prototype 22x-4 to show the world, and he definitely did that. He ended up placing second overall out of a field of X-Ray drivers. Yes, X-Ray was 4 out of the top 6 drivers, and Dakota placed second. Now, many months later, we do have the production vehicles hitting the market, and I too have one in front of you, and we'll be doing a whole build series on this brand new 22x-4. Of course, there will be the unboxing that you're witnessing now. I'll also have a full build review that'll go over everything that's included inside of the box and how it all assembles. Third, we will have a reveal video showing everything that it takes to get this thing fully functional and how I outfitted my 22x-4. And finally, we will have a running video at a local track as soon as they open. Before we start, a quick look at the model number, but don't worry, I'll have a link down in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. Taking a quick look around the box, super nice box if you're into judging boxes, matte finish, and I definitely like the size of this thing, and it has some heft to it, so you can definitely tell that you're getting a quality item here. Now, of course, engineering wins, kind of their motto over the years. This is a kit build, so you do have to put it together. You have to supply all of your own electronics and other things that I'll cover down the line on this video series. Taking a look at some of the major features of this brand new platform, this is a shaft-driven platform right here. This is not a belt drive that we've seen on every other TLR 22 four-wheel drive platform. Fully adjustable suspension, that speaks for itself right there. Premium parts are included, including lots of hard anodized aluminum, carbon fiber, and other bits and pieces. And finally, an easy access diff system, just so it's easy to wrench on when you're at the track. Finally, the best part of any new RC, time to crack it open. Fresh seal there from Team Losi. And let's take a look. So I went ahead and laid out all of the bags here in alphabetical order. That's just the way I build. So I start up here on bag A all the way to bag J on the far right hand side. Now, the first thing that came out of the package, or at least in your order here, is the owner's manual. You do have a small toolkit, a 4.0 and 7.0 wrench, and then also a little T-wrench. You do have the window masks in there, little upgrade guide right here for the new 22x-4, and of course the owner's manual down here in the bottom. Now, the one thing I really missed about the TLR kits are the little header cards. It's just a nice touch. I know this is probably a little bit of money to do this for all the kits, but it's a nice touch showing off a good quality product. Now, on bag A right here, these are the differentials, so I'm definitely seeing some weight to it. I'm also seeing 7,000 and 5,000 CST diff oil. We do have some grease and also some thread lock inside of the first bag. Bag B does have 2 different spur gears and the slipper assembly. Bag C houses the turnbuckles. The famous D bag is the shocks, and I'm seeing 40 weight and 42.5 weight shock oil. I'm seeing shock shafts that are actually coated, as well as the shock bodies. Bag E is a pretty big bag. It has the side guards, gets into some of the inner construction of the chassis along with the center spine, also some carbon fiber parts and aluminum parts. I love the chamfering on all of the black aluminum, gives it a nice classy look. Some bearings and whatnot inside of this bag. Bag F is going to be the diff assemblies as well as the shock towers. seeing those inside of there, and also some arms. Looks like all of the blocks are all that machined aluminum, like we'd expect. Bag G has the aluminum 90-degree hubs up here for the front and other bits and pieces for the front assembly. Bag H seems to be the rear, so we do have the rear diff case, rear shock tower, and other bits and pieces for the rear assembly. Bag I, we're seeing some universals, also some 5mm wide, 12mm hexes. Bag J is definitely a controversial bag. They are including wheels. Yes, an actual kit including wheels these days. Oh my gosh. Looks to be yellow, of course. So what's your comment? Is yellow faster than white? Comment down below. 2 supplement bags. We do have a tuning parts bag. This will be very nice if these are additional parts that would have been in bags you didn't have to save to a later date. This is nice that it's all included in here. That's what I'm assuming at this point. Finally, we do have a hardware bag that gives you some additional pieces, which I'm hoping that is. Very nice touch if that is the case. We do have the new body for the 22x-4. Very sleek, very low profile. I'm liking this one already. The somewhat pre-cut wing is already to go. Just have to dial it in on the backside and drill your holes for the mounting. And finally, the chassis. Definitely the narrow, long chassis. This thing is nice. Hard anodized aluminum. Has that kind of coating on it, almost like a non-stick pan. This thing is nice. A little bit of a kick up here in the front. And we do have several cutouts throughout this, giving it some rigidity and also saving a little bit of weight. Well guys, that is my full unboxing of the brand new 22x-4 from TLR. I can't wait to get this thing fully together and show you guys what it looks like in my build review, so stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for the reveal video that shows everything up and running and ready to go to the track. As always, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.